I'm talking about everybody and their mama makes shirts, decals, all that type of stuff. But what about you? Are you somebody? Are you somebody's mama? Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Rico back with another video. When you're done with this video today, you're gonna know exactly how to go out there and find stuff to make you a little bit more money. A little bit about me: I'm a 30-year-old self-taught graphic designer, freelance designer, but I do it professionally as well. And these are just a couple methods that I want to share with you on how to put some more money in your pocket. If you like my content, please don't hesitate to like, comment, subscribe. That's enough of me talking. Let's get right into it. All right, so everybody on YouTube is gonna tell you unobtainable things to buy to make you more money. Real estate, foreign cars rentals, stuff like that, but not me. I'm gonna give you some real options that are tangible for us normal people. Okay, all for under $200. So one of the constant themes in most self-help wealth books as far as making money to work with is the concept of buying assets. And what I like to call it, and what they call it as well, is having things that end up paying for themselves, end up buying themselves back. So that basically means just making money for themselves. So one of the first things I'm gonna jump into, from personal experience, the very first and best asset I ever bought, the reason why I'm talking to y'all right now, is a laptop. That's right, a laptop. And I know what you're thinking. How is a laptop going to pay for itself? I mean, how is a laptop going to make money? Well, 5 years ago, I purchased a laptop for $175. It was one of those old Dell laptops, but I bought it, and I've easily, at this point, if you count the earnings from my professional career, all my freelance stuff, just all of that, I've easily made well over $200,000 just off of that first purchase. And while I don't still have that laptop, I use that laptop to learn all the skills that I know now. Okay. See, a laptop or a computer can be an asset because you can use it to learn all type of skills, which ultimately you can get paid for. It doesn't have to be graphic design. It can be code. It can be video editing, whatever. Teach yourself a skill, and that computer and the skills you learn from that computer will buy itself back. And I promise you. Or you can get lucky like me, and it can end up paying your bills and feeding your family for the rest of your life. Another thing that you can buy that'll end up just completely buying itself back, and probably faster than a computer. Of course, you would already have to have a computer for this, but a Cricut machine. That's right, a Cricut machine, or any type of actual plotter or vinyl cutting machine. Since the first time I ever seen one, that business has completely exploded. I'm talking about everybody and their mama makes shirts, decals, all that type of stuff. But what about you? Are you somebody? Are you somebody's mama? Exactly. So what are you waiting on? The Cricut Explorer Air squeaks right in up under at like $199. But if you apply it yourself and learn how to use it, man, that thing's going to buy itself back quick. See, it's a really populated niche and side hustle. But the beauty is that while there's a wide range of people who do that, there's also a wide range of people who are interested in decals, shirts, custom tees, things like that. So find your niche. If you're a skateboarder, serve that niche. If you like basketball, serve that niche. But carve it out for yourself, and I promise you that Cricut machine will make money. After you learn how to use it, throw some stuff up on Facebook Marketplace, do some free stuff for somebody popular in the city. Get you some local orders going, or if you want to take it bigger, you can jump on Etsy, you could jump on eBay and all those type of platforms and ship them out and sell them. So keep that in mind, that the Cricut device will buy itself back quickly, and I guarantee that. Another great thing to invest in and will make money is a drone. Yes, a drone. A decent, high quality 4K drone is no longer super expensive. And while things like microphones, cameras, and etc., the more expensive you go, the better. We've only got a $200 budget in this video, and you can get a great a great drone on Amazon for less than $200. So people get married every day. People in the real estate industry are always looking for good drone footage of their properties. There's some people charging $450 an hour. Just imagine if you did that for 8 hours. That's $3,600 in one day. Can you imagine when you making that? Now, just being 100 with you, I'm always keeping 100 with you. That's the pros, and you'll get there at some point. But even if you started out at about $100, per, you can still make your money back in one day pretty quick. So let's not sleep on the drone. Now, once you practice enough, once you get good enough, do the same thing I told you to do with the stickers and the decals. Get on Facebook, go on Facebook Live, because you can set these up through your phone, and go on Facebook Live and show off some drone footage. I bet of your local area. I bet you people are gonna share it, and your inbox is gonna be flooded with people. Hey man, how much would it cost for you to come out and look at my property? I need a good drone aerial shot. So don't sleep on the drone as a good investment. But overall, in the end, the internet's perception of an asset is something that you buy and it just makes money with little to no effort. That's cap. That's clouded the real meaning. Hopefully I wasn't not only able to get that across, but to give you some actionable steps that you can take and, say, hey, next time you're in the store, hey, Rico said I might be able to make some money off this. I'm going to pick it up. If this video helped you at all and you picked up some of this stuff, please don't hesitate to like, comment, and subscribe. That'll mean a lot to me. I'm going to keep giving y'all everything I know. So be on the lookout for my next upload. Peace to the world. I love y'all. Let's get it.